Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. And guys, today in this video we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art movie search app using React.js third party API and design UI library as well. Yes guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn that how we can create an awesome dynamic and state of the art movie search app using React.js third party API and design UI library. So guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities of the example to you, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. So let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React.js and this RESTful API and the design UI library as well. So guys, below we can see here the heading also, movie search app using the React and RESTful API. Yes guys, you read that right. Today in this video we are also going to learn that what is RESTful API and how to use RESTful API in our React app, in our React application, to create this kind of awesome cool movie search app using React RESTful API and design UI library as well. And below guys, we can see here one search input field, and on the right hand side we can see here one button called search movie to search the movies. Okay, so guys, in order to search the movie we have to enter here the movie name, and then we have to click this button search movie to search the movies. Okay, so guys, right now I am searching here the movie Harry Potter, and this is the data, this is the API data we are getting, we are fetching from the this RESTful movie API. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description. You can just go there and you can just check it out. Okay, so this is very cool and this is very dynamic RESTful API. Okay, of movie movie API. Okay, I'll give you the link in the description. This is very cool, this is very dynamic, and you can just create this kind of search movie app on your own after watching this video, after watching this session. Okay, so guys, we are getting here 10 data. Okay, so guys, I have shown here the only 4 data on a single page. Okay guys, we are getting here the 10 data, and I have shown here the only 4 data on a single page. And guys, we have implemented here the pagination as well. So guys, we have used here the ant design pagination. Okay, I have used here the ant design pagination. So guys, this is the ant design UI library, and this is the pagination of this ant design. I'll explain you, I'll teach you that how we can create dynamic and cool pagination React app using this ant design pagination component in this video, in this session. Just sit back, relaxed, be calm, be cool, and watch the entire video, because from this video, from this session guys, you're going to learn a lot of things in React. Okay, because this is the dynamic and cool and vast movie search app I have created using React RESTful API and design as well, and I've implemented here the pagination from the design UI library, and I've shown here the page number. So this is the third page, you can see here, this is the third page. Go to the second page, go to the first page, and guys, this is the movie result. This is the API data I explained you. We're getting here 10 data, and I've shown here only 4 data on a single page. So go so this is the first page. Okay, this is the second page, and this is the third page. I've shown here the page number as well. Okay, so this is the page number 2. go to the first page, and this is the page number 1. Okay, so guys, this is the movie card. Okay, this is the movie poster, movie name, year, type. And guys, we can see here on each and every movie card, we can see here guys, on each and every movie card, we can see here movie poster, okay, movie name and the year, and the type is movie. It can be series, it can be drama, it can be sci-fi, it can be anything. Okay, the type of movies can be anything. Okay, and guys, on each and every movie card, we can see here one button also called view details, to see the entire details of a particular movie in a nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so just click this button, view details. So this is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 8.1. Either guys, we can close this, okay, modal by clicking anywhere on this gray area, by clicking this cross icon, and by clicking these two buttons, cancel or OK. So click OK. So view the particular details or the entire details about this movie Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. So view details. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 7.7. Click OK. So go to the second page. You can see here that the data is being changed. The data have been changed. Okay, so this is the movie poster. Okay, movie name, year, and type. View details. See, this is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 7.7. Click OK. Go to the third page or the last page. So this is the page number 3. Okay, so you can see here this is the movie poster, like title, year, and the type. Okay, this is the movie poster, title, year, type, view details. Okay, so you can see here I have shown here each and everything in the dynamic and cool modal as well. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 8.2. Cancel, view details. Movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 8.0. Click OK. And guys, this is the recent search history. Okay, this is the recent search history drop down. We are going to save, we are going to preserve the search history as well. Okay guys, we are going to preserve, we are going to save the search history as well. Okay, in this drop down. Okay, so let me just search here the guys, let me just tell you one thing guys. We can search here the Hollywood movies, we can search here the Bollywood movies, Hindi movies, English movies, okay, Bhojpuri movies, regional movies. We can search here the movies name, okay, by movies name, its actor, its actress, its director as well. Okay, so guys, our this movie search app is very cool, very dynamic, very vast. We can search here the movie using its name, using its actor, using its actress, using its director as well. Okay, so let me just search here the another movie. I'll just search here the Airlift, okay, which is the Bollywood movie. Hit enter. So you can see here this is the movie Airlift. Okay, and you can see here we are getting here the all the movies, okay, from this search term Airlift. Okay, so guys, this all movies are related from this, okay, search term Airlift. Okay, you can see here the search term is also now Airlift here, the Airlift. Okay, Airlift, first battle of the Cold War, Airlift. Okay, so you can see here, go to the second page. You can see the data is being changed. Go to the third page. Okay, so go to the first page. We can see here each and everything in a nice and dynamic modal as well. View details. You can see I have shown here the loading spinner as well. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 7.9. Click OK. So let me just see here the search history. You can see here Airlift and Harry Potter. Let me just search here hit. So hit enter. Loading movies. Okay, you can see here this all movies, okay, related to this, okay, search string hit. Okay, you can see here Hitman, Hit and Run, The Big Hit, Hit, The First Case. Okay, so let me just see each and everything in the nice and dynamic modal as well. Okay, so I've shown here the loading spinner as well. So click OK. Hit, The First Case, view details. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 6.8, very poor. Click cancel. View details, Hitman. So see, this is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 6.8, nice or average. Click OK. So let me just search here the another movie, or we can go to the, okay, second page. See, view details, the hit list. Okay, movie poster, year, genre, director, okay, actor, plot, and IMDb rating. Click OK. So hit and run. View details. I have shown you the loading spinner as well. Click OK. Hit monkey. View details. Okay, so click OK. The hit, view details. Okay, I have shown you the loading spinner in the modal. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating. Click OK. So go to the third page. I have shown you the page number as well. So this is the hit, and the hit, the load, view details. Click OK. So let me just search here now the last movies. Okay guys, we can search here anything, any movies name. This is very vast, this is very cool, and this is very dynamic movie search app. It is going to take a lot of time, if I have to show here. I have to search here each and every movies, okay, and I have to show. Okay, so let me just search here the last movie name. I'll just search here the last movie name. I'll just say here the last movie name, which is the recent movie from the Hollywood. I'll search here Barbie. Okay, so Barbie, hit enter. Loading movies. So see, this is the Barbie, and it was created in 2023. View details. Okay, I have shown you the loading spinner as well. Okay, so view details, loading spinner in the modal, everything in the modal, movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 6.3. Click OK. So go to the second page. See, the data is being changed. Go to the third page. Okay, so this is the third page. This is the last page. View details. And guys, now this is the switch. Okay guys, we can apply here the light mode and dark mode theme as well. Yes guys, you heard that right. We can apply here the dark mode as well as the light mode as well. Okay, from this switch button. Okay, from this switch button, as of now you can see here light mode is enabled, so we have to click this button switch to apply the dark mode now. So click it. See, boom guys, boom, the dark mode is now applied. And guys, this is persistent. Okay, this is persistent. It is going to remain, it is going to remain, it is going to be here even if you will refresh the page, even if you will reload the page as well. Okay, the dark mode is going to remain here, it is going to persist. Okay, it is not going to vanish, it is not going to remove after reloading the page, after refreshing the page as well. Okay, so let me just this is the search history, Barbie, hit, airlift, okay, and Harry Potter. So let me just refresh the page now. So you can see here the dark mode will remain here, it will persist. Okay, so refresh it. See, boom guys, you can see here the dark mode is still here, it is going to persist. Okay, so just remove the dark mode and now refresh the page. You can see it's gone. Okay, again apply the dark mode, now refresh the page. See, it is going to remain here, it is going to persist here, the dark mode. Okay, because I have saved each and everything inside the local storage as well. So we will also learn what is local storage and how to save the theme inside the local storage to create light mode and dark mode based React app like this movie search app. Okay, with me ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so guys, I have shown you each and everything. Let me just search here bomb. Okay, bomb, hit enter. You can see loading movies. So I've shown here the each and everything. So go to the second page. I've shown here the page number as well. Go to the third page, and we can see here each and everything in the nice and dynamic modal as well. You can see here the modal has also got the theme. Okay, background. Okay, theme is also changed of this modal, which is right now dark mode. So click OK. Few details of this Trinity and Beyond. Okay, the atomic bomb movie. Okay, so you can see here nice and dynamic. Okay, loading spinner in the modal. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating 7.9. Click OK. So just refresh the page, and we can see here the bomb and Harry Potter. Let me just search here the last movie. I'll just search here Salman Khan. Okay, Salman Khan, hit enter. Okay, loading movies. So this is the movies. Okay, from the this is the movies of Salman Khan. Okay, Salman Khan, Tere Bin, Salman Khan, Bhai Bhai. Okay, Sun Suda. I don't know. Like, okay, so this is it. Okay, so let me just search here the last movies. Okay, I'll just search here the search here. Say here Avatar. Okay, Avatar. Hit enter. You can see here Avatar movies. Okay, view details. Okay, this is the movie poster. Click OK, view details. This is the movie poster. Click OK. Go to the second page. So this page number second. Go to the third page. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, and we can view all the details in the nice and dynamic modal as well. I have explained you each and everything in depth, in details, and we can search here Hollywood movies, Bollywood movies, Hindi movies, English movies, regional movies, using the movie's name, using the actor name, using the actress name, using the director name as well. Okay, so just okay, and we can see here this is the recent search history of the Salman Khan, Bomb, and Harry Potter. We have just recently searched, okay, these movies, okay, from our movie search app. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, and we can see here the dark mode is also going to remain here, and we can see here from this, okay, switch button we can toggle the theme, okay, from dark mode to light mode. Okay, this is the light mode. Apply again dark mode, refresh the page. Okay, just remove the dark mode, again refresh the page. So see, it is persistent, it is going to remain. Okay, even if you are going to refresh the page after reloading the page as well. Okay, so refresh the page one more time. See, dark mode is still here. And guys, now this is it. I hope I've explained you each and everything in depth, in details. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's build this movie search app using React.js RESTful API and the Ant Design UI library as well, with me Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all guys, okay, please guys, subscribe now my channel Code with and please press the bell icon also, and please, okay, do like this video as well. Okay, and please guys, please do comment something what you have learned, okay, from this video, from this session. Okay, and please guys, okay, please do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues, with your group also, and please guys, please, okay, support me and promote me, okay, by subscribing to my channel Code with please guys, please, it's a request. Okay, from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother, please guys, please subscribe now my channel Code with please guys. Okay, I hope you will do now, and you will subscribe now my channel Code with and you will like this video also, and you will comment something also what you have learned, okay, from this video, from this session of mine. Okay, so guys, now let's get started and let's learn. So guys, now I'm going to use here the VS Code editor to write my code. You are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, so this is it. So I have to finish this video within 1.5 hours. Okay, so let me just create here new file. I'll just create here new file. I'll just say here React. Okay, React movie app .jsx. Okay, save the file. So hit save in the components folder. So let me just, okay, import here React. Okay, from React. Okay, very quickly. I will be a little in hurry to create this video. Okay, so let me just import here the hooks also, user state, and you all know what is user state all about and what is the use of user state hook. Okay, let me just import here the use effect also, and I hope also you know what is the use effect and what is the feature of this use effect hooks as well. Okay, so I'm not going to explain you each and everything again and again in my each and every single video. Okay, this is it. I'll just import here the Axios, because we are going to use here the Axios as well. Okay, so I've already installed it inside the project folder. Okay, so we will use here the Axios. Okay, instead of JavaScript, okay, fetch method, we are going to use here the Axios. Okay, so let me just import here the component from the Ant Design as well. Okay, so tooltip, I'll just import here the modal component as well. I'll just import here the say here button component as well. Okay, from the Ant Design only. Okay, and I'll just import here the pagination component as well. So pagination, this is it. Let me just import here the loading spinner as well. So ClipLoader from the React spinner only. Okay, so let me just remove here the open and closing curly braces. I'll just say here slash, I'll just say here ClipLoader. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, let me just copy the my, okay, API key. Let me just copy the API key from the example only. So this is my API key. I hope you will not use this, okay, in your personal project. Okay, so just paste it here. You can see here, this is my API key. So I'm going to create here the main component name. I'll just create here the main component. I'll say here movie, okay, app in React. Okay, so I'll just use here the fat order function, return. I'll just create here the container div or the parent, okay, div, we can say anything. This is known as the JSX fragments. So I'll just give here the class name. I'll just say here container, okay, container margin top, okay, for margin bottom also. For I'll say here p, okay, y I'll give here py, I'll say here 4. Okay, so just close this div. Okay, this is it. So let me just copy the, okay, title from the example only. So let me just, okay, copy this, okay, title from here only, and let me just paste it here. So okay, so guys, let me just export this also. So I'll just say here export default movie app in React. So close this. So now come to the app.jsx. Okay, come to the app.jsx, and now we have to import this also. I'll just say here import, okay, movie app in React. Okay, movie app in React. So copy this from here, and now we have to use this. Okay, so let me just create this, paste it here, close this, save the file. And guys, as of now, just save the file, come to the browser, have a look in the browser first, go down. You can see here, this is the title or the heading, movie search app using React plus RESTful API. Okay, so guys, let me just, okay, hide this previously created movie search app. Okay, let me just hide this. Okay, so let me just comment this out. Let me just comment this out, save the file, have a look in the browser. So now let me just refresh the page. Okay, so see, we don't have any dark mode or light mode, okay, theme here. We have to create here each and everything from the scratch. Okay, so guys, now let me just, okay, create here the switch. Okay, let me just create here the, okay, first of all, let me just create here one form, okay, where we will have the input field and the search button as well. So I'll just create here the form. I'll just give here the class name as well. I'll say here div flex. I'll say here mb 3 or 4, we can give anything. So let me just, okay, this is not the div, this is the form. Okay, so we have to be very mindful while writing the code. Okay, so I'll just create here one, say here I will create here the one div also, and I'll just give here the class name as a input. Okay, input group, I'll give here input group. Let me just close this, okay, div. And now let me just create here the input first. Okay, input to search the, okay, to let the search user movies. Okay, I'll just give you the type as a search only. I'll just give you the placeholder search. Okay, movies. Okay, search movie here, give here 3 dot. I'll just give you the class name as well. I'll say here form. Okay, control, I'll give you, okay, p2 as well. Okay, as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. So you can see here we got the in, like search input field as well. We have to create here the button as well. Okay, so let me just create here the button, and let me just give you the type attribute, okay, as a submit only. And I'll just give you the class name as a btn. I'll just give you a warning. I would like to use the warning button. I'll just say here search, okay, movie, hit the save, have a look in the browser first. You can see here we got the button here, search movie. Okay, so now we have to, guys, now we have to link, okay, this, okay, search input field with our state variable. Okay, so we're going to do that now. I'll just say here value. I'll just say here okay, search term. Okay, so term. And now let me just create here the state variable first. Let me just create here a few state variable, guys, very quickly. So guys, now I'm going to create here a few state variables very quickly. Okay, and we all know how to create these state variables, okay, in React. Okay, I'll just say here, okay, search term. I'll just say here, okay, set search term, use state. Okay, and as of now, just give here the default value. I'll give you the default value as a Harry Potter. So this is the default value as a Harry Potter. Okay, so guys, now let me just, you can see here this, okay, search term is the state variable, and in this way we can link our search input field with our state variable. Okay, so let me just copy now, and let me just create here the on change, okay, as well. So I'll just give you the event object inside the anonymous filter function. So we will just use here the filter function like this, and we will just say here this is the search term state updater function, and we will say here on change, okay, event dot target, which means which means this input field, and now we will say here the dot value as well to grab the text, okay, to grab the text value, okay, to grab the text value from this, okay, from this search input field, so let me just copy this, okay, search term from here. Let me just, okay, paste it here. Let me just show you the, let me just give you the demo. So save the file, and now we can see here, we can just okay, we can see here, so let me just cut it out from here, and let me just paste it here. This is just for the demo. You can see here, we can see each and everything here also. Search hit, you can see here hit is also, okay, search here love, you can see here love is here. As of now our page is being refreshed, so we have to prevent, okay, this page refreshment also. This is the default behavior of any form. Okay, so let me just remove this, and now this is it. Okay, so we have here the search input field and the button as well. So let me just, okay, create here the I mean, what can I say, the switch button to toggle the theme. Okay, the switch button to toggle the theme. Okay, I'm going to do that now. I'm going to create here one div first. I'll just give the class name as well. I'll say here form, okay, check, form check. I'll give you another class. I'll say here form, okay, switch. I'll say here mb 3. So close this div very quickly, and we have to create here, I'm going to create here the guys, okay, the switch toggle button to toggle the theme, okay, between light mode and dark mode. Okay, so I'll just give you input, okay, input. I'll just give you the type attribute. I'll give you the type as a checkbox. Okay, checkbox. Okay, checkbox. I'll give you the role as well, and the role is switch. Okay, and the role is switch. I'll give you the class name as well. I'll just say here form check input, form check input. Okay, I'll just give you the id as well. We can give you anything. Okay, I'll just say here theme toggle. Okay, I don't remember anything. Theme toggle. I'll just give here as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. You can see here we got here the, okay, switch button to toggle the theme. Okay, we got the here switch button to toggle the theme. Okay, so now let me just create here the state variables very quickly. So we have to create here the state variable, guys. Okay, very quickly I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I'll just say here const, and I'll just say here movie. Okay, movie to store all the movies. Okay, to store all the movies data from the API which we will fetch. Okay, I'll just say here, okay, set okay, movies, set movies, and as of now use state. Okay, and let's just give you the empty array. So this movie is the empty array, and this is the initial value. This is the empty array. Okay, and now I'll just say here, I'm not going to explain you each and everything again and again. I explained you many things. Okay, all everything's in my previous videos as well. Okay, I'll just create here the loading state variable. Okay, loading state variable. I'll just say here set, okay, loading, and as of now just to give you a user state, and I'll just give you the default value as well. Okay, so loading would be false. Okay, initially I'll just create here another state variable. I will just say here error to show the error. Okay, so set error is the state updater function. Okay, I'll just use here the state user state, and as of now just give you the default value as a null. Okay, and now let me just create here another state variables. Okay, so we will create here 8 to 9, okay, 8 to 9 state variable. I'll just say here history to store the to preserve the history, source history. Okay, source history. I'll just say here set history and use state, and this will be again an array. So initially we will use here the empty array. This is it. I'll just create here the another const, another state variable. I'll just say here selected, okay, movies. Okay, I'll just say here set, okay, set selected movies. And as of now just to give your user state, and we will just give here the null value, because this is the we are going to use this, okay, selected movies state variable inside the modal, okay, inside the modal. Okay, and now I'll just create here the modal, okay, visible, okay, to show and hide the modal as well. I'll just say here set modal okay, visible equal to user state, and as of now just give you the default value, because initially modal should be hidden. Okay, so false. And now I'll just create here 2 3 more state variables. I'll just say here, okay, show drop down to show and hide the drop down, okay, source history drop down. Okay, so I'll just say here, okay, set, okay, show drop down equal to, initially it will be again hidden, so we will give here the false value. Okay, false is known as the boolean value. Okay, false or true is known as the boolean value. Okay, so I'll just create here another state variable, not continue, const to show the loading spinner, to show the loading spinner inside the modal as well. Okay, so I'll just say here modal loading, and say here set, okay, modal loading equal to, I'll just say here user state, and as of now just give here the okay, default value is the false. Okay, so let it be. And now I'll just create here the another state variable to show the current page. Okay, like I'll say here current page. I'll just say here set current page, and as of now use state, and this will be the first value is the default value. Okay, so the current page will be the first page, so this one is the default value of this current, okay, page state variable. This is it. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now this is it. Let it be. If we will need, okay, a more state variable, we can create anytime. Okay, we can create it anytime, because this is our only code. Okay, so guys, now we have to do here one thing also. We have to now, okay, link, okay, this input field with our this state variable as well. So let me just let's just create here. Okay, so main like const main, like user state I forgot to create, so I'll just create here the dark mode to apply the dark mode and the light mode. I'll just say here set, okay, set dark mode, and as of now just give here the user state. Okay, the default value will be false, because initially there will be only light mode. Okay, so copy this, okay, dark mode state variable from here, and now we have to say here, we have to now, okay, connect this, okay, search input field, I mean very sorry, this, okay, switch, okay, toggle button with our this, okay, dark mode state variable. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let's just stay here checked. Okay, if it is checked, we will use here this, okay, as a dark mode. If it is checked, okay, we will apply the dark mode. If it is not checked, we will remove the dark mode. So I'll just say here on change, we will apply here on change, we will say here, I'll just copy this, okay, set dark mode state operator function from here, and just we will just negate it, we will just, okay, change it. So in this way we can toggle the theme, okay, in React. Okay, so just paste it here. As of now just save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so we don't have any issue, you can see here. Okay, so we can change the, okay, we can toggle this, okay, switch button. So let's just come to the code now, and now we have to write here one function as well. But before writing the function, let me just create here one div first. Let me just create here one div. Okay, so let me just give the class name as well. I'll give you a row. I'll just say here just the file content. center. So just to close this div as of now, let it be here. We will show the movies, okay, details. So let me just write here the comment also, movies, okay, say here data. Okay, this is it. So guys, as of now, just save the file, and now we have to create here one function as well. I'm going to create here one function, okay, here. So I'll just create here const, okay. I'll use here the axios. Okay guys, we're going to use here the axios. So I'll just use here the axios, and now copy this. First let me just create here, say here const, okay, and I'll just create here the fetch, okay, movie, okay. So I'll just use here the async method, okay, async, and I'll use the federal function like this. And now let me just give here the one, okay, search string as well. Let me just give here one search string as well. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to give here, I'm going to put here one search string from which user can search the movie's name. Okay, so let me just give here the query. Okay, so this query will be coming from this search input field. Okay, this query will be coming from this, okay, search input field, which user is going to search, okay, like Harry Potter, any kind of movies from this search input field. Okay, this is it. Come to the code now, and now I'll use here the axios. Okay, so I'm going to use here the axios. So before that, I'll just, okay, set each and everything to its, okay, initial state. I'll just say here set loading. I'll just say here set loading to true. We have to show the loader as well initially. Okay, show loader, okay, initially, while fetching the code, okay, code from API server. Okay, this is it. And now let me just say here, okay, set error. I'll say here if everything is okay, we have to, okay, set the error again null. And now we will just say here set, okay, movies. As of now, set movies, I'm going to set it again to false. Okay, set it to again to this, okay, empty array, because every time I want to show you the new result. Okay, so I'll just remove the previous state. Okay, so clear, okay, clear previous, okay, data, okay, previous data or result. Okay, this is it. Okay, I hope I'm very clear. I'll just say here set, okay, current page again, I'll set it to 1. Okay, set current page again, I'll set it to 1. And now we are going to use here the try, catch, and finally block. Okay, I'm going to use here the try, catch, and finally block. So this will be the try block. Let me just create here the catch block as well to catch the error which might be coming from this try block. Let me just create here the finally block as well. It is going to run. Okay, so this finally block is going to execute no matter what is the output of these two try and catch block. Okay, okay, this is it. So let me just create here one const as well. I'll just create here one const. I'll just say here res means response. I'll just use here the await keyword. Okay, because we have to use here the async, so we have to use here the keyword await. Okay, to wait for the promise, to wait for the response. Okay, so let me just, okay, I'll just use here the axios, okay, dot get. Okay, axios, okay, dot get. Okay, like get, we have update, delete, okay, put and patch, to update, to create, to delete the data. And these methods are known as the HTTP methods. Okay, HTTP methods. Okay, so guys, we have to provide here the API URL as a parameter, okay, of this, okay, get method. Okay, so we have to provide here the API URL. So let me just go to the example to copy the API URL only. So let me just, okay, let me just copy this API URL from here, and I hope this is quite clear. to you. So this is my API key, and this is the query. Okay, this query. Okay, this query which might be coming from okay, this search input field. Okay, as of now. Okay, so let me just do here one thing. Okay, as of now, guys, let me just do here one thing very quickly. So let me just do here one thing very quickly. Okay, so let me just create here the level at like attribute as well. So level, let me just close this level, so open this level, and now I'm going to give here the class. I'll just say here form. Okay, form check label. Okay, and I'll just give here the HTML for, I'll just give this ID. Okay, theme toggle as a ID for this HTML4. So this is used inside the React. Okay, this is it. So now let me just use here the open and closing curly braces, and now let me just copy this. Okay, dark mode state variable, and accordingly we will apply the text. Okay, accordingly we will apply the text. Okay, to this level element. Okay, I'll just say here if it is true, I'll just say here dark uh, mode dark mode enabled. Okay, dark mode enabled. Okay, otherwise we will say here light mode enabled. Okay, so guys, if it says if dark mode is true, we will say here dark mode is enabled. If it is false, we will say here light mode is enabled. Okay, light mode enabled inside this. Okay, inside this level element. Okay, inside this level element. So as of now, just come here and let me just comment this out. Okay, as of now, let me just comment this out, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So we can see here okay, you can see here the text is now being changed. Okay, dark mode enabled, light mode enabled, dark mode enabled, and light mode enabled. This is it. Come to the code now. So control Z. Okay, so now control Z, we have to write here the function, guys. Okay, inside this function we will catch the error. So let me just catch here the error inside this error catch block. Okay, inside this catch block we will catch the error. Okay, so now we will just inside the try block we will just just close this, and now we will just use here the first let me just show you the response in the console. I'll just say here console dot log what is the response we are getting here from the API, from the RESTful API. So I'll just say here response, and now we will check here if we will just check here with the response. Okay, if response dot data, if response dot data, okay, response dot data dot capital R response. Okay, capital R response. Okay, if it is equal to if it is equal to capital T true. Okay, if it is equal to capital T true. So this is coming from this Axios. Okay, this is coming from this Axios. Okay, I have used here the Axios instead of JavaScript fetch method to fetch the API. I have used here the Axios. Okay, Axios dot get to fetch the third-party API. Okay, it is going to handle each and everything on its own. Okay, we don't have to do anything. Okay, because we have used here the Axios. Okay, this is it. Okay, if it is true, we will just create here another state variable or the const. Okay, normal const. We will say here all. Okay, all movies. Okay, equal to, we will say here. Okay, we will say here this response dot data, and we will just say here search. Okay, we will just say here search. So capital SEA. Okay, so this is coming from the ant design. Okay, this is coming from this Axios. Okay, this is coming from this Axios. So you can see here R is capital, T is capital, and here this S is also capital, because this is the Axios. Okay, on like we can say here mechanism. Okay, mechanism. Okay, this is it. Okay, so now let me just say here copy this set movies. Okay, state updater function to update this. Okay, movies state variable. So let me just paste it here, and now close this, copy this. Okay, const all movies, and just paste it here. Okay, else we will say here else we have to now create here the search. okay, history drop down as well. We have to now create here the search history drop down as well. So I'll just create here another const here. I'll just say here normalize query. We will just okay say here this query, okay, this query, okay, this query, this search string, okay. We'll just say here dot, I'm going to remove the white spaces from the left and right side of this, okay, search from, and we will just say here to, okay, I'll just say here to lower lower case, okay. So whatever is this string, we have to just okay convert it to lower case, okay. It can be like user can search okay anything in the uppercase, but we have to convert it here to the lower case as well, okay. And now we will just check here if we will just check here negation of this, okay. If there is nothing inside this history, okay, so every time we will just store the unique search history, okay. Every time we will store here the unique search history. So copy this, okay, search dot includes, okay, includes, okay, includes, okay, this normalized query, okay, string, okay, this normalized query string. If it is the case, okay, if okay if query is unique, okay, new, then only we will store it, otherwise we will not store it. We can't store the duplicate, okay, duplicate or the uh, duplicate, okay, query string we can't store inside the recent search history. So we are going to remove the duplicate. We will only store the unique, okay, search query, okay. We will only store here the unique search query. So copy this, okay, set history state updater function from here and just paste it here, and we will just copy this normalize, okay, query string, which is now clean and unique, okay, which is now clean and unique. So in this way we will just okay, in this way guys, okay, in this way we will remove the previous one, okay. We will remove the previous one, but I have to store the I have to keep the previous one as well. The previous search history I have to also store, I have to also keep. So we will just create here the this, and now we will just say here, and now we will use here the split operator, okay, to okay to keep the previous, okay, search string, the search history as well, like this, okay. So in this way we are going to store the new one, as well as we are going to keep the old search history, the old search string as well, okay. In this way, guys, in this way we are going to store the new search string, as well as we are going to keep the old search string as well, okay. This is it, okay, this is it. Otherwise we will say here else, otherwise we will say here else, and now we will just say here okay, set error, we will just set the error to the this, okay, to this, okay, error state variable. So now we will just say here response, okay, response dot data, and we will just show here the error. So capital E, okay, because we are using here the Axios, so we have to be very mindful, okay, with this, okay, terms, okay, like this, okay, capital R response, capital T true, this, okay, capital S search, okay, because we are using here the Axios, okay. So we have to be very mindful, we have to be very careful, okay. And now we will just console.log as well, console.log for the user, okay. I'll just say here res dot data and dot error, okay. This is it. And now we will just say here, okay, again we will just say here set movies, again we will say here set movies, because we don't have anything to show. So again we will just set with the empty array, okay. Again we will set it with the empty array, okay. And now come to the catch block, okay. So inside the try block we write, okay, such code which might, okay, produce the error, which might, okay, throw the error, okay. So such kind of code we write inside the try block, and inside the catch block we are going to catch the error, okay. So I'll just catch the error inside the catch block. I'll just say here set error, okay. And now I'll just close this, and we will just say here something went wrong, please, okay, try again later, Okay, this is it guys. Okay, we have to be very clean and we have to be very okay simple as simple as possible, okay, for the user, okay, for you. Okay, and now inside the finally block we will just say here set loading. Again we will just set it to again false. We will just set it to again false. So now guys, as of now, just save the file. Okay guys, as of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser first. Okay, so now go to the developer tools. Okay, and now let me just go to the console first. Let me just refresh the page one more time. So see guys, nothing happened. Guys, you can see here, nothing happened. Nothing happened. Why guys? Why we can't see anything in our console? Not a single error, not a single data. Why? What is the issue? Although we have defined here the function, okay, fetch movies, but nothing is going to happen. Why? What is the issue, guys? I would say there is no issue at all. There is no problem at all. We have to call this fetch movie now. Okay, we have to call this, okay, fetch movie now inside our use effect hook. Okay, inside our use effect hook. So I'm going to do that now. I'll just use here use effect. I'll use here the anonymous, okay, file function like this, and this is known as the dependency array. Okay, this is known as the dependency array. As of now, there is not a single value inside the dependency array. So now we have to call this fetch movie inside this use effect, because we all know this use effect is going to run whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. Okay, so runs, okay, only once when component is mounted. Okay, this is it. So let me just copy this, okay, search term state variable from here, and we have to now provide here. Okay, because you can see here, this is the search query, this is the search query fetch movie. So we have to provide here okay, this search term state variable. Okay, because you can see here, this search term state variable is now linked with this search input field. So whatever user will search from this search input field, it will come inside this search, and we can use it anywhere inside our React app. Okay, so guys, now just save the file, and now come to the boom guys. Now we can see here the data is now here guys. Boom guys, now the data is here. You can see here data is here. Go to the data. You can see here guys, we can see here, this is the same thing. Okay, this is the same thing. Okay, you can see here response dot data dot response. Okay, you can see here, okay, response dot data dot response is true. You can see here response is true. You can see this response is true. And guys, you can see here this, okay, we can see here this response dot data dot search. Okay, response dot data dot search. Okay, you can see here, this is the response dot data, and this is the search. This is the search. You can see here, this is the array of object. This is the array of object, and every element is an object. Okay guys, this is the array of object, and every element is an object. You can see here poster, title, type, year, and IMDb ID. Okay, so this is the unique ID. We will use this unique ID to fetch the movie data of a particular movie. Okay, so you can see here, this is the search, and it is the array of object, and every element is an object. Okay, every element is an object, and this is the array of object. The first element contain the poster, title, type, year, and IMDb ID. Open this first one. You can see here poster, title, type, year, IMDb ID. So this is it. So guys, now I'm on this is it. So close this and come to the code now. And now guys, you can see here, let me just go to the one more time console. And guys, now you can see here, whenever I'm going to hit this button, click search movie. Okay, whenever guys I'm going to click this button search movie, nothing is going to happen. Okay, you can see here, nothing is going to happen. Okay, we can see only the pages being refreshed. Okay, so now we have to prevent, okay, this, okay, default behavior of this form, and we have to fetch the data also whenever this search movie button is going to be clicked by the user. Okay, so we have to fetch the data as well whenever this search movie button is going to be clicked by the user. So I'm going to do that now. So guys, now what we have to do here, we have to on this form, okay, on this form I am going to say here on submit. Okay, on submit I'm going to define here one method. I'll just say here handle submit. Okay, handle submit, copy this, and now here I'll just define it now. I'll just say here const handle submit, and I'll just use here the anonymous, okay, filter function like this. And now we have to provide here the event object as well. So now we will just say here event dot prevent, okay, prevent default, to prevent the default behavior of the form, which is to submit. Okay, so close this as of now, remove this question mark from here, and now try to hit this button search movie. See, now nothing is going to happen, but we can't see the data as well, but we have to make it now. So whenever user will click this button search movie, we are going to fetch the data as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so I'll just first check. Okay, first I will check, okay, if this input field is empty or not. Okay, first I'll check here if this input field is empty or not. Okay, so I'll just say here this search term dot trim, remove the white spaces from here, okay, from left and right of this string. And now we will just call this, okay, we will just call this method. So copy this command as well, and just paste it here, and now write it runs when button, okay, button is clicked by the users. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it guys. As of now, just okay, as of now just save the file, and now have a look in the browser first. And now let me just refresh the page one more time, and let me guys first comment this out, this use effect. Let me just comment this out. So comment it out, save the file, have a look in the browser, now refresh the page. So now we don't have any data in the console. Okay, we don't have any data in the console. And now hit the button search movie. So hit it now. See, boom guys, we got the data. See, boom, we got the data. Again hit one more time. See, we got the data. Now try to remove this, okay, search string Harry Potter, this movie name, and try to search now. Try to hit it search movie. See, we can't, okay, see anything. We can't see anything because this input field is now empty. So let's just search here, hit, and now hit enter. You can see now we got the data. See, now we got the data. Okay, again search movie. See, we got the data. So this is it. So let me just uncomment this out, this use effect hook also. And now we can see here, whenever our component is mounted for the first time, we will see the data again. And whenever user will search this movie, and whenever user will click this button search movie, we can also search the movie as well. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now this is it. So we have to now show the movie name as well. We have to show the movie data, but before showing that movie data, we have to show here other things as well. Okay guys, we have to show here other things as well. Okay, before showing the movie data, we have to show here other things as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, so let me just show you the loading spinner as well below this form only. I'm going to do that now. Okay, so below this form only, I'm going to show here the search, okay, history drop down. Okay, I'll just write here the comment also, search history drop down. Okay, history drop down. So let me just create here the div first very quickly. Let me just close this div, and let me just give you the class name as well. I'll just give you the class name. I'll just say here MB, okay, 4 margin, okay, top also 4. I'll give you, I'll just give you position relative, and I'll just give you the D inline as well, display inline, and I'll just give you the say here, let it be Okay, just open this div, and now we have to create here the button as well. So button, and just close this button. Let me just give you the text also. I'll just say here recent, okay, search history. Okay, and now I'll just give you the class name as well, btn. Okay, I'll just say here info, and as of now just say the file. Have a look in the browser. You can see here the button is here, recent sort history. So we have to now, let me just on this button only, I will just say here on click. Okay, on click, and now I'll just use here the anonymous, okay, filter function. And now let me just copy this, okay, state updater function. Okay, set history. So copy it from here, and set, okay, show modal. Okay, yeah, set, okay, show modal. So just paste it here, and we have to just, okay, toggle it. So set, okay, set, copy this, okay, show modal state variable from here, and we have to just, okay, negate it. So put exclamation mark and just to paste it here. So as of now just save the file, and now we can, okay, as of now we can't see anything because we don't have any search history. So let me just, okay, create here the search history as well. Okay, so below this button I'm going to create here the search history. So let me just copy this state variable. Okay, search history, where is the, okay, show drop down. Okay, and now let me just paste it here, and now we will use here the React conditional rendering. Okay, so let me just create here the div first. Okay, so I'll just create here the div, or we can create here ul. Okay, we don't need to create the div. It is the list item. Okay, so we can just create here the ul only, give the class name as well. I'll just say here list. Okay, list, okay, group. Okay, and I'll just say here position absolute, and I'll just say here z index, I'll give you a 3, and I'll just say here margin top, I'll give you a 2, I'll give you a 2. Open this, okay, ul, and open this ul. I have to just give you the inline style as well, because it will be little larger, so we have to make it small. Okay, I'll just give here the width, okay, 200 px. I'll just give here the white spaces. Okay, I'll just give here no wrap. Okay, no wrap, put comma. I'll just give here overflow. I'll just give here overflow as a hidden. Okay, overflow hidden. I'll just give here the text. Okay, text overflow. I'll just say here text overflow ellipsis. Okay, not clip. I'll just say here ellipsis. Ellipsis, and now this is it. And now we have to create here the li. Okay, inside the ul we have to create here the li. Okay, so I'll just create the li, but before the li I have to use here this history state variable. And now we can see here I have just set here this, okay, set history to update this history. Okay, and this history is the search query, the search string I have explained you. Okay, so let me just paste it here, and now I'll just say here, so this is the array. We can use here the map again. Okay, you can see here I've shown here, sorry, so you can see here this history is the array. Okay, this history as the array, so obviously we can use here the map method as well. So I'll just use here the map. I'll just say here we can just say here term. Okay, term, and I'll just pass here the index as well. I'll just use here the, and now I'll just create here the li element. Okay, inside this li I'll just create here the li, and now let me just give you the class name as well. I'll just say here list. Okay, list group item, and I'll just say here list group item action. Okay, list group item action. Okay, and now let me just open this li, and we will just say here this okay term, okay, this term, okay, as of now just okay say here this term, set the file, have a look in the browser, and now we can see here Harry Potter is here. Let's just search here, hit enter. You can see here hit is now here. Okay, let me just search here, uh, love, hit enter. You can see here the, you can see here the love is here. Okay, so let me just okay search here anything, say here bomb, hit enter. Yeah, the bomb is here. Okay, so this is it. We can see here our recent search history. Drop down is going doing great. Okay, as of now we have to create the function to hide it whenever user will click anywhere outside this, okay, outside this drop down, okay, outside this drop down. So we will create it later on, we will create it later on, but inside the li we have to say here on click, okay, on click, we will just say here on click. Okay, and let me just use here the anonymous filter function, and now we will just use here the number of okay methods I'm going to use here. Okay, I'll just say here fetch, okay, fetch movie, and this is the method guys. Okay, this is the method we are going to use here, this fetch movie. Okay, this fetch movie, and we have to pass this term as well. So just pass it here, and put close this, and now we'll just say here set, okay, set, okay, show, okay, set, okay, show drop down. We have to again hide it. I'll just say here false, and now we will just say here set, okay, okay, set, okay, search history. We will just say here set search term, and we will just again set with this, okay, again set with this term only, this, okay, this, okay, set, okay, search term. We have to again okay set with this, okay, term only. Okay, in this way we can search the movie name whenever user will click on this. Okay, so you can see here bomb is here, click on love, you can see here love is here, click on hit, you can see here hit is here, click on Harry Potter, you can see here Harry Potter is here, so we can search the movie as well. Okay, so let me just show you in the console also. So go to the console, and now let me just open this recent search history. You guys just try to just try to, okay, let me just remove this first, let me just remove all the things, and now okay, so we don't have any. Okay, so let me just give here the uh, so give here the key prop as well. It is very compulsory, so I'll just give here the key prop as a we can give here the key prop, say here index. So now we don't have any issue, so just click this Harry Potter. You can see here the data is here, search here hit enter. You can see here hit is here, now click it hit. You can see here the data is here. Okay, so search here love, hit enter, recent search history. You can see here love is here, and now hit Harry Potter. You can see here data is here, hit, okay, hit. You can see here data is here, recent search history, hit love. You can see here data is here, and love is also here. So it is doing great, everything is fine and fantastic. So now let me just show the everything as well. I have to show here the loading spinner as well. Okay, I have to show here the loading spinner as well. So I'm going to show here the loading spinner as well. So let me just write the comment as well. Okay, loading spinner. So I have to show guys each and everything, because we are going to create here the an awesome and dynamic, okay, movie search app. Okay, so I'll just copy this loading state variable from here. We will check if loading is true or false. So if loading is true or false, we are going to check it here. I'll use here the React, okay, conditional rendering like this. I'll just create here the another div inside this. Let me just close this, okay, div. Let me just give here the class name. I'll just give here the class name as a text center, and I'll just say here okay, why I'll give you 5. Open this, okay, div, and now I'll just use this, okay, I'll just use this ClipLoader component from the ant, from the React only. Okay, so let me just inside here we will just use it because this is the component. So I'll just give you the color prop as well, not console. I'll say here color prop. I'll give you the red, and I'll just give you this size prop as well. I can give you a 120. So this is it. Okay, so this is it. And now, okay, so this is it. So let me just write here the text also. I'll show you the text as well for the user. So let me just give you the class name. Okay, text danger, and I'll just text danger. I'll just say here margin top 3, and I'll just say here font weight. I'll give you a bold as well, and I'll just say here display. I'll give you a 3 as well. Okay, so let me just open this h2, and I'll just I'll just say here loading. Okay, loading movies, 3 dots. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now hit click the button search movie. You can see, boom guys, the data is here, the loading is here, because our net is very fast, so we can't see it for longer time. Okay, because my net is very fast. See, loading movies here with the spinner. Okay, with the spinner. So now it's done, and now I'll just show you the error message as well. I'll just show here the error message. Okay, so we have to show here guys each and everything, and because I'm teaching you, I'm explaining you something, so I have to be very clear as well. Okay, so copy this state variable error, okay, from here, and just come down very quickly here only. Let me just paste it here. I'll just use here the again conditional rendering of React. Okay, I'll just say here, I'll just create here the div inside this. I'll just close this div. Let me just give it the class name as well. I'll just give it the class name. Okay, I'll just say here alert. Okay, I'll just say here alert message, alert message, or we can say here alert, okay, danger. So I'll just use the bootstrap classes, margin top 4. I'll give here I'll just say here h3, and I'll just say here text center as well. So let me just open this div now, and inside this, okay, we will just show the error. So copy this error state variable from here only, and just paste it here. So now let me just okay, so this will look cool, and this is the professional way as well. Okay, so although this is also cool, but I'm going to concise it. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file, and now have a look in the browser first. Let me just put here anything in the random text, hit enter. You can see here we got the message here, movie not found, because this is the random string, random text. There is no movie name with this string. Okay, so let me just say here, let's just put here, okay, h3 only. Okay, let's just put here h3. No movie found. Okay, no movie found. Let's just so make here display 2. I want to enlarge the text, guys. I want to enlarge the text. No movie not found. Okay, so h3. Okay, let's just remove this. Okay, alert first. Movie not found, and okay, so let's just give here our text. Okay, let's just say here movie not found. Now this looks cool, and let's just make it here h1. Okay, although guys we can, okay, movie not found. So let's just remove this h3 class, and now we can see here, let's just remove this. Now we can see here movie not found, and display. Okay guys, display spelling is mistake. Okay, display spelling is mistake guys. So now display 2, and now see, we can see here this big data. Okay, so this big text, let's just control Z. Okay, alert, it's wrong spelling guys, alert. Okay, alert danger. And let's just display, because I'm little in hurry, so that's why. Okay, and let's just say here font weight, I'll say here bold, and let's just show here the our error only. And now we can see here movie not found, and we can see here this is the alert. Okay, this is the alert. Okay, so guys, now we will just see, this is the alert. Now let's just search here, love the correct movie name, hit enter. You can see here. Okay, we can see here we're getting the data now, so we have to show the data now. Okay, because our net is very fast, so we can't see the loading for the much time. Okay, for the loading for the much time. So now let's just copy this. Okay, movie state variable from here, because this is the array, we can use here the map method as well. So now we are going to show here the movies details now, entire details now. So I'll just use here the open and closing curly braces, and just paste it here. And now we will just say here map. Okay, map. And now we will just say here movie. Okay, and I'll just pass here the index as well, although we don't need index here. So let me just create here one div as well. Okay, let me just create here one div inside. Let me just give the class. Okay, let me just give here, close this, and let me just give here the key prop as well. This is very compulsory. I'll give you the index as a key only. I'll just give the class name as a I'll just say here call md3. I'll just say here call. Okay, sn. I'll give you a 12, and I'll just say here mb4 as well. Open this div now, and now I'm going to create here another div inside this div. I'll just give you the class name. Close this very quickly. I will just give you the dynamic classes using the backtick. Okay, so open and closing curly braces and backtick. I'll just give you the card class. Okay, I'll give you the 100% height. Okay, and I'll just say here shadow also. Okay, shadow, I'll give you lg, and just open this div. And now I'm going to create here the conditional statement first. I'll just copy this. Okay, movie, I'll just copy this movie, and now I'll just see here, use here dot, and I'll just say here poster. Okay, so I showed you the all the data. So I'll just say here poster. Let me just go to the developer tools one more time. Go to the console, open this object first, or go to the data and go to the resources. Okay, open this 0th element. You can see here poster, P is capital, T is also capital, title T capital, type also T capital, year also Y capital, and IMDb ID is the unique ID. Okay, so copy this poster. Okay, from here, and this is it. Okay, and if it is not defined, okay, if it is not defined, we will just say here not available. Okay, we will just say here not available. Okay, otherwise what we will do here, we will just create here the img element. Okay, so this is the ternary operator. Let me just close it here first, otherwise it is going to give us the error. So let me just create here the div. Okay, let me just close this div now, div, and now come to this. Okay, so I'm going to create here the img element here. So img, and I'll just use here the src. Okay, I'll use the dynamic. Okay, src only. So we will just say here movie dot poster, to show the poster, poster of the movie. Okay, and I'll just give you the class name as well. I'll just say here card img top. I will just give you the alt attribute as well. We will just give you the alt attribute. Okay, dynamic. I'll just say here movie dot, okay, title. Okay, movie dot, okay, title, because title T was capital, so we have to say here title. Okay, and let me just apply here the inline style as well. Okay, I'll just apply here the inline style as well. So I'll just say here width of what is this, width of 100%. I'll just give here the height also of 300 px. I'll just say here object fit also. I'll give here object fit. I'll give here cover, and I'll just give here the border radius as well. So border radius, I'll give here the say here 4 px. Okay, this is it. Okay, and inside this div, we can see here I've used here the JavaScript ternary operator, so we have to close this. Okay, as well. So now inside this div, what we will just say here, we will just open this and now give the class name as well. I'll just say here div flex, and I'll just say here align items. Okay, I'll just say here align items center, and I'll just say here justify content center, and I will just give you the height as well. So let's just give you the height as well. Inline styles it. So I'll just say here height of, I'll just give you a height of say here 300. Okay, because you can see here I've given here the height of 300, so 300 px. And now inside this, okay, div, we have to use this, okay, empty component to show the empty, okay, image. Okay, so copy this empty component from this ant design, and now come down inside this div, we have to use it. And now we will just because this is a component, we will just give you the description. I can give here the what will be the description. I'll just say here image no image found. Okay, this is it. So as of now, just okay, save the file and have a look in the browser first. Okay, have a look in the browser first. So see, boom guys, you can see here we are getting the image now. You can see the image is now here, guys, the image is now here. But as of now, we can see here all the 10 data. Okay, as of now we have not implemented here the pagination, so that's why we can see here all the 10 data. So we will implement the pagination as well. Okay, we will implement here the pagination, guys, don't worry. So let me just say here margin top 4, margin bottom also 4, and now this looks cool now. Okay, so now guys, we will just show here the title, year, okay, type, and the button to open the modal, and we will show the each and everything in the modal as well. But we will create here the pagination as well. Okay, you can see here the recent search history is doing great. Let me just search here something now. I'll just search here say here water, hit enter. You can see here this all movies are related to this search string water. Let me just search here the, I'll just search here the book, hit enter, loading movies. You can see here, okay, you can see here we're getting the data now. So I just search here the avatar. Okay, avatar, hit enter. You can see here we're getting the data, but we can see here as of now all the 10 data on a single page, because we have not implemented here the page like pagination. So we are going to implement now the pagination, and we will show only 4 data on a single page, and we will just implement the pagination. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. First I'll show the movie name, the year, the type, and the button also. See details to open the modal. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. So here I'm going to do that now. Below this I'm going to do that now. So I'll just create here another div. I'll just give the class name as well. I'll just say here card body, open this div, and now inside this div I'll just create here h5 element. So just close this h5 and just give here the class name. I'll just say here card title. Okay, card title, I'll just say here font weight also I'll give you a bold. And just now we will just show here the movie title now. So we will just say here this movie. Okay, okay, this movie, guys. Okay, this movie dot title I showed you. T was the capital. Okay, so let me just show you one more time for your reference. Okay, for your understanding, go to the console and open this object, open this data, open this, okay, search array of object, open this zero element. You can see here poster, title, type, year, and IMDb. ID is the unique. So P is capital, T is capital, type is capital, T capital, year, Y is capital. Okay, so I showed you. Okay, so let me just title is here. So now let me just create here few, okay, para element or the P element. I'm going to create here the P element. Okay, so I'll just give you the class name as well. I'm sorry, I'll just say here card. Okay, text, card text. And now I'll just say here font weight bold. So let me just copy this P and let me just paste it couple of times. Okay, this is it. And now we will just say here year, to show the year of the movie in which, okay, it was created or built, okay, or shoot. Okay, so I'll just say here movie. We can say, guys, anything. Okay, movie dot, I'll just show here the year. Okay, year. And now if this is not the case, if there is no year, so we can show here the like static data as well. I'll just say here not available. Okay, this is it. And now we will just say here type of the movie as well. So we will just say here movie dot type, not T was capital only. So type. Okay, if type is not available, if type is not available, we will just say here not available. Okay, this is it. And now, guys, this is it. So let me just remove this extra P. And what is this suggestions? Okay, so guys, now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So see, boom, guys, you can see here the title is here, year is here, and the type is here. Type is movie, title, type, year, title, year, type, title, year, type. On each and every movie card we can see the data now. So I have to create here the button now. So let me just close this. Okay, developer tools. Okay, so we have to create here the button. Okay, see details. Okay, to open the modal. So let me just come to the code now. And now below this, okay, P, I'm going to create here the button as of now. Let's just create here the button, and I'll just give you the class name as well. So I'll just give you the class name. We can give you the class name. I'll just give you the dynamic class. Okay, using the curly braces and backtick. I'll just say here btn. I'll just say here outline primary. Okay, outline primary. Okay, this is it. And now let me just open this button. I'll just say here view. Okay, details. Okay, view details. As of now, just save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here we got the button on each and every movie card. View details, okay, is now here. We have to make it clickable now. Okay, we have to open the modal. Okay, whenever this button is being clicked by the user. So let me just on this button only, we are going to create here one method on this button only. I'll just say here on click. Okay, on click, I'll just create here one method on click of this button. I'll just create here one method. I'll just say here, okay, fetch okay, a movie details. So now we will just pass this. Okay, we will just pass here the unique ID. So let me just go one more time for you only. Go to the console, open this object, open any object, go to the data, go to the search array of object, go to the first element. You can see here IMDb is the unique ID. So we will use this IMDb ID to fetch the data of a particular movie. Okay, so copy it from here, and now we will just say here movie. Okay, movie dot this. Okay, so this movie dot ID. So let me just copy this method name from here, and we have to define it now. I'm sorry, So below this I'm going to do that. So const, okay, so just paste it here. I will just give you equal to, let me just make it only the single string id. I will just say here id. I'll use here the anonymous, okay, fat a function like this. And as of now, let me just allot the id for you. Okay, just say here id, save the file, have a look in the browser. So let me just click this view details. You can see here this is the unique id. Click ok. View details, this is the unique id. So last here is 29. You can see here last okay, last two digit is 29. So click ok. You can see here is 99, last two digit is 99. Click ok. You can see here is 36, last two digit is 36, is changed. Okay, view details, you can see here is 90. Click ok. View details is 94. Click ok. View details, it's 60. Click ok. View details, it's 90. View details, it's 52. View details, it's 55. Okay, so we are getting the unique id. Okay, in our button clicked also, on our button clicked also, we are getting the unique id. So we have to open the modal now. So we have to define this method fetch movie to open the modal. But before that, I'm going to implement here the pagination. Okay guys, before that I'm going to implement here the ant design. This ant design pagination I showed you, I'm going to implement here the pagination first. Okay, so I'll just implement here the pagination first. I'm very sorry. So we have to create here few state variables first guys. We have to create here few state variables and few normal variable as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that now. I'll just say here const, this is the normal variable. I'll just say here movie. Okay, I'll just say here movies. Okay, per page. Okay, how many movies we can show on a we're going to show on a single page. I'll just say here 4. We can show anything. Okay, it's only up to us only. Okay, it's only up to us. Okay, so now we will just create here few const first of all. Okay, so guys, as of now let me just remove this. Okay, let me just show you one thing very important also. So guys, just come here. Okay, or let's just I'll show here only. Okay, let's just I'll show here only. So now let me just say here dot, okay, slice. Okay, dot slice, and I'll just say here 0, and I want to show here only 4 data. So we will just say here slice dot, okay, slice is the array method. It is going to create a new array. Okay, and from this, okay, from this, okay, starting index, and from this last index. Okay, so let me just save the file. Now we would be able to see here only 4 data on a single page. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh the page one more time manually. You can see here only 4 data. You can see only 4 data. We can, okay, we can see here 1. We will see here only 1 data now. Okay, refresh the page. Only 1 data is now here. We can say here 0 to 8. We will see here only 7 data. Save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh the page. So you can see here only 4 data. Okay, so guys, this is the technique we are going to use. Okay, so just remove this from here. Okay guys, this is the technique guys. Okay, this is the technique guys we are going to use, okay, to create the pagination. Okay guys, this is the technique we are going to use, okay, to create the pagination. Okay, this is the technique. Okay, so just remove this, and now let me just create here. I will just say here const. Okay, say here const. I'll just say here index of, okay, index of I'll just say here last movie. Okay, index of last movie. I'll just use here the current page. Okay, current page into movies per page. Okay, movies per page. So what we will get here, we will get here so current page is 1, and multiply by 4. We will get here, what we will get here, we will get here 4. Okay, so now we will just create here the index of, okay, index of okay, first, say here first movie, index of first movie we will create here also. Movie is okay, so index of first movie, okay, so we'll just say here equal to, and we will just copy this, okay, index of last movie, index of last movie minus, we will just say here movie per page, okay, movie per page. So just paste it here. So now what we will get here, so index of first last movie is, as of now here is the 4, so what we will get here 4, okay, minus movies per page, so we will get here movies per page, okay, so 4, okay, so now we will get here 0, okay, so for the first page, okay, for the first page we are getting here index of first movie is the 0, okay, for the first page we are getting here the index of first movie is the 0. And now guys consider we have increased the page, okay, consider we are on the first page, guys consider we are on the second page, okay, so we will have here 2 into 2 into 4, so what we will have here, we will have here, okay, 8, okay, we will have here 8, okay, and now what we will have here, what we will have here, we will have here, okay, 8 minus 4, so we will again have here 4, okay, again we will have here 4, okay, so likewise again, now suppose, now guys consider we are on the third page, so we will have here third, okay, 3 into 4, what we will have here, we will have here 12, okay, and now what we will have here, so index of last movie is now 12, and what we will have here, movies per page, okay, movies per page still have, okay, 4, okay, still have, okay, 4, so we will get here, what we will get here, we will get here 8, okay, what we will get here, we will get here 8, okay, and now likewise for other page as well, okay, so for the, okay, for the first page we will have here 4, okay, and for the second page we will have again 4, and for the third page we will again have, okay, like other like extra or remaining data, because we are getting here only 10 data, and this is the calculation, okay, this is the calculation. So let me just create here another const, I'll just say here const, I'll just say here okay, let me just say here the index name, current, I'll say here current movies, okay, current, okay, movies, okay, current movies, I'll just say here equal to, I'll just say here this, okay, this movies, because this is the array, this is the array, so we will just say here dot, okay, dot slice, and now we will just pass this, okay, the first index, movie of first index is this, copy this from here, copy this from here, and just paste it here, comma, and movie index of last movie, so just paste it here, this is it, okay guys, okay, this is it. So now let me just copy this current movies variable from here, and now we have to replace with this, we have to replace with this movies, okay. So now let me just paste it here, save the file as of now, just now go to the browser, and now we can see here only 4 data, and now we are going to implement here the pagination, okay, the ant design pagination, okay, using this, okay, using this calculation, okay, using this calculation. So come to the code now, come down, so come down, yeah, below this div, I'm going to show here the pagination, okay, below this div I'm going to show here the pagination, okay. So okay, so but I want to show here the tooltip as well on this button, so let me just, okay, show here the tooltip first. So on this button, cut this out, I'll just create here the tooltip first, okay, so tooltip, so close this, okay, tooltip first, and now just give here the placement as well, I'll give you the top, I'll just give you the arrow also, I'll just give you the true, arrow should be true, I'll just give you the title as well, I'll just give you this dummy text or the static text, I'll just say here see details, okay, see details, and now open this tooltip and paste this button now, and as of now not So as of now, just save the file. As of now, just save the file. Have a look in the browser first. So we can see here the tooltip is now here. See details. Okay, so let me just give you the color property as well on this tooltip. I'll just say here color. I'll just say here red. Okay, so tooltip is now red. See details. So spelling is wrong. See details. Okay, so now the tooltip is now red. See details on each and every movie card. Okay, so now we have to create here the pagination. So I'm going to do that now, and now I'll just create here the pagination. Okay, so say here pagination. So let me just say here, I'll just check with the error state variable first. So I'll just say here error. Okay, if error is if there is no error, if there is no error, and we will say here if there is anything inside the movies array. Okay, inside the movies array, so we will check it with this. Okay, movies dot length, if it is greater than equal to, then we will use here the conditional rendering. Okay, so now let me just create here div first, and let me just give the class also. Close this div. So let me just give you the class. I'll just say here div flex, and say here justify content center. I'll just say here margin top, okay, 4, margin bottom also I'll give you a 4. I'm very sorry. Open this now, and now we will copy this. Okay, pagination component from ant design, copy it from here, and now inside this I'll just create here the component. So this is the component, so we will just use it like this. Open this, and now we will just provide here the some attribute of this pagination component. Okay, so this is the current. Okay, so current is the attribute. Okay, how many user we want to show on a single page. Okay, how many data, how many user, how many movie card we want to show on a single page. So let me just copy this, how many I want to show here. So this is the movie power page. Okay, so or we can just say here current. Okay, so current page, so current is the current page, and now just say here. So I'll just say here page. Okay, page size I'll just give here user. Okay, page size I'll just give here movies power page. Copy it from here, and just paste it here, and now we will just say here total. Okay, so we have to say here total is the movies. Okay, so it will have the length also, because we are fetching each and everything inside this movies state variable only, inside this movies state variable, which is an array. So it will have a length property, and using the length property we can calculate the length of the array. Okay, and now we will just say here on change. So on change is the method, and it will say here handle. I'll just give it the on change method. I'll define here the handle. Okay, handle page. Okay, and now we will pass here. Okay, and this is the handle power page. Okay, so let me just pass here. We can guys pass here the if we want, we can pass here the page parameter as well. So as of now, just to save the file and have a look in the browser first. So we got the issue. So let me just so okay, we will get the issue, guys. We will get the issue. Okay, we got the issue because we have to define this method. Okay, we got the issue. So copy this. Okay, as of now, just come down up here. I'll just say here const like this. Okay, and equal to, and now we won't get any issue. So now just to close this, have a look, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now refresh the page. So remove this parameter. So I don't think, guys, this is the issue. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, so we have to remove the parameter. So you can see here you can see here, guys, the pagination is now here. Okay, you can see here the pagination is now here. So now on this okay handle, okay, now guys we have to define this okay handle page now. So let me just copy this. Okay, let me just where is the set current page, and now copy this, and now just paste it here. So we will define it now, later on we will define it. Okay, so as of now just so let me just so it will take a parameter, so page, and now we have to say here page. Okay, so just now let me just show what we are getting inside the page. Okay, what we are getting inside the page, I'll just allot it for you. So I'll just say here page. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser, click on the first. You can see here we are getting here the page number 2. Okay, click on the third. You can see here this is the third, so we are getting the page number. Okay, inside the page we are getting the page number. Okay, so let me just uncomment this out, and now we will just uncomment this out as well. So in this way we are going to set this. Okay, we are going to set this current page, and this is the first. So when we will click the second, it will be a second. When we will click on the third button, it will be have a 3 value here. So now just save the file, and now click on the second. See, boom guys, boom, you can see the pagination is doing great guys. Pagination is doing great, see. Okay, so let me just okay show here the page number as well. So copy this okay current page from here, and let me just show here the page number as well. Okay, so page number, and let me just check here if this is the okay, so we will just say here page. So let me just cut this out, create a div. I want to show you guys each and everything. So just to close this div, say here h2, give your display 2 as well. Say here font weight, okay, bold, and give your text center. Open this and paste it here, and now we can see here page 1. Let's just make it h4, and let's just make it 4 as well. So now we can see here page 1, okay, page 2, page 3 is dynamic now. Okay, and this is the code to create the pagination using the ant design pagination. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. So it is going to guys, okay, by default it is going to give us the one parameter. Okay, so let me just go to this. Okay, so let me just open this, go to the JavaScript. So by default we will get here the page parameter. Okay, you can see here. So go to the okay, so on change. Okay, on change, you can see here on changes is here, and you can see here on change here is the on change. Okay, here is the on change. Okay, called when the page number or page size is changed. Okay, and it takes the resulting page number, okay, and page size as its argument. Okay, you can see here function, okay, page size. Okay, you can see here function page size. Okay, you can see here function or the page size. Okay, so we can give it. Okay, so let me just give here the anonymous okay fat array function, anonymous okay fat array function, and let me just say here page. Okay, and now come here. Okay, so now we don't have any issue. Okay, now we don't have any issue. Okay, because we have to give here the anonymous okay fat array function. So I was making the mistake. Okay, this. Okay, so now this is okay. So second page. Okay, so let's just copy this. Okay, movies pop page, and I hope but I this is also cool. Okay, let's just so page. Okay, so let it be, guys. Okay, we don't need anything. Okay, so okay, just remove this. Just remove this. We don't need here any parameter. Okay, any argument here, we don't need any argument here. Okay, so just save the file and now click on second page. So see, now pagination is doing great, it's working fine. Okay, so we have to create here now the light mode and dark mode. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to create here the light mode and dark mode. Okay, so let me just create here the light mode and dark mode. So let me just create it now. Okay, so let me just create it now. So here I'm going to create it. Okay, here I'm going to create it. Okay, so I will just say here use if not a state, use effect. Okay, use effect. I'll just use here the factor function unknown, and this is the this, and this is known as the like this is known as the dependency array. Okay, this dependency array. Okay, so first of all I'll just remove all the classes. I'll just say here document dot body dot class list dot remove. Okay, remove all the classes first. Initially remove all the classes. Okay, initially remove all the classes, and then we will apply dynamically based on certain condition. Okay, so I'll just say here bg remove bg dark as well, and remove the text white as well, remove the text white as well, and remove the text dark as well. Okay, remove the text dark as well, and now we will apply the based on this certain condition. Okay, based on this dark mode state variable. Okay, so copy it from here and just paste it here. If this is true, we will say here document dot body dot class list dot what is this dot class list dot add. Okay, dot add. What to add, guys? Which class to add? Just say here if dark mode is true, we will add here bg. Okay, if dark mode is true, guys, we will add here bg dark, and we will just apply here the another class. We will add here text white as well. Okay, else we will say here else we will apply here the class document dot body dot class list. What is this, guys? Okay, class list dot add. Okay, class list dot add. Which class, guys, to add? We will add here okay vg. Okay, bg light, and we will add here another class text dark. Okay, this is it, text dark. And as of now, let me just apply this. Okay, let me just apply this dark mode or the light mode whenever this dark mode state variable will change. Whenever this dark mode state variable will change. But as of now, just to save the file. Okay, as of now, guys, our code is incomplete. Okay, as of now our code is incomplete. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now you can see here the dark mode is now applied. Okay, you can see here the dark mode is applied, but refresh the page. Okay, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Apply the dark mode again, refresh the page, it's gone. Okay, it's gone, but we want our dark mode to remain here. I want our dark mode to persist even if I will refresh the page, even if I will reload the page. Okay, so I am going to do that now. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So I'll just create here again, use state variable or the hook. Okay, use effect hook, and now again I will use here the factor function this, and this is the dependency array. As of now, it is this dependency array has not any value, so it will run only once. Okay, it will run only once. So I will just create here const. I'll just say here saved. Okay, saved mode equal to I'll just grab it from the local storage. We will just check for the we will just check the local storage. Okay, get item, what to get, guys. Okay, get item, what to get here. Get here the dark. Okay, get here the dark mode. Okay, get here the dark mode. Okay, if it is if guys if there is something in the local storage. Okay, and now we will just check it. We will just okay make it okay true. Okay, so make it true. So guys, okay, this will give us also true. Okay, this will give us also true. So true equal to true. So we are just comparing here true text with the true text. Okay, so in this way we will get here true. So we will store this save true inside this okay saved mode variable. And now we will just say here set okay set dark mode. We will just apply with this okay saved dark mode. In this way, this is it. And now let me just copy this, and now let me just copy this. So this will okay this okay will runs only once. Check the local storage for the what is this for the true okay true text text in local storage because we all know that because local storage stores only the text. Okay, so if this it is going to check. Okay, if it is there, it will get true. So we are comparing here true to true. It will give here true inside the saved mode variable. And we will just apply this set dark mode with this variable. Whatever it will be true or false. Okay, so this is it. So now let me just remove this, and let me just remove this from here, and let me just remove this entire things from here as well. And now we will just say here set okay set item. What which item, guys? Set, we have to just set here this okay dark mode state variable. So just remove this, and now just copy this okay dark mode state variable. And now just give it here. So this will run every time. Okay, runs every okay time dark mode state variable will change. Okay, so guys, as of now, just set the file. Now have a look in the browser first. See, boom, guys, it's here. Refresh the page. See, dark mode is gone now. So let me just apply the dark mode again, and now refresh the page. See, it's remaining, guys. It's here. Okay, so see, again refresh the page. Remove the dark mode, apply refresh the page. See, it's here. Apply the dark mode, refresh the page. See, guys, see, it will remain here. It is not going to remove. Okay, so our dark mode is now here, and it is very easy. It is very like, first we have to remove all the text. Okay, first remove okay all the things. Okay, all the things. Okay, and then apply it based on dark mode state variable. Okay, variable value. Okay, like true, or false. Okay, this is it. I hope I'm clear now. Okay, I hope I'm clear now. And this is very quite easy and quite straightforward. Okay, so guys, now we have to create here the modal component. Okay, so you can see here the pagination is doing great. The dark mode and light mode is also doing great. Okay, so you can see here. Let me just copy the icon. Okay, let me just copy the icon from the example only, the sun icon and the moon icon. Okay, so instead of guys instead of text, we can just show here the icon. Okay, let's just remove the text. Okay, and let's just show the only icon. Okay, so copy this. Okay, moon icon, and let's just remove the text. Okay, although I've showed you the text as well. So set the file, have a look in the browser. So now apply the dark mode. See, now the dark mode is applied. Refresh the page. Okay, again apply light mode. Refresh the page. So see, light mode is now here. It is not going to remain. It is going to remain. It is not going to removed. It is not going to vanish. Okay, even if we will refresh the page. Okay, this is it. So now we are going to create here the modal now. So guys, now we are going to create here the modal. Okay, so guys, now we are going to create here the modal very quickly. So let me just create here the function first. So we have to open the modal now whenever this button is going to click. Okay, so let me just go to the ant design. Let me just go to the modal first. So this is the modal component. So open this modal component, and this is the modal component from the ant design only. So let me just open this. So this is the modal we are going to use. So let me just go to the okay, so let me just copy this modal from here to here, and just inside this, okay, here below this I'm going to paste it here. So let me just okay, so as of now we have to do here something. So let me guys copy this, okay, state updater function from here. Okay, okay, so copy this, okay, from here, and just not here, say here, and say here as well. And now let me just copy this, okay, modal visible state variable from here. Okay, modal visible state variable from here, and just replace with this. This is it. And now let me guys, as of now, just come here, and now let me just refresh the page one more time, and okay, view details. So you can see here we got the alert, and we have to remove this alert, and we have to open the modal. Okay, inside the fetch movie details, we have to remove this alert, and we have to open the modal now. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, now. Okay, so I'll just use here the async method as well. I'll just say here async, and I'll just pass here the id. Okay, so let me just remove this alert from here, because we are going to use the async method. So we have to use here the like await keyword as well, but I'll just also use here the try catch block. So try catch to catch the error. So finally block as well, I will use here the finally block. Okay, but before this, okay, try catch block, we have to set something. We have to set something. Okay, so I'll just say here, okay, set set selected movies state updater function, and now we will just give it null value. Okay, so I'll just say here clear, okay, clear previous result or data. Okay, data. And now we will just say here set, okay, set modal visible, set modal visible. I will again make it to true. Okay, to show the loading first. Okay, we have to show here the loading as well. I showed you in the example also. Okay, show modal immediately. Okay, and now we will just say here set modal, okay, set modal loading to, again we'll just say here to true. Okay, so let me just say here, we can see here okay, set loading modal. You can see here is as of now false, so we have to set modal loading again, set to true to show the loading in the modal. Okay, show loader in the modal. This is it. Okay, and now inside the try block we have to use this id, and let me just first I'll also use here the axios. So I'll just create here one const also. I'll just say here res again to res. I'll just use the await keyword because we are using here the async method, await keyword, async keyword. So we have to wait for the promise, we have to wait for the response as well. And I'm going to use here the axios. So dot get, okay, dot get, and now just use here the backtick. Okay, and now let me just go to the example to copy the URL. Okay, to copy the URL, so let me just copy this URL from here. Okay, so copy this URL from here and just paste it here. Okay, so guys, this is my API key, and this is the this ID. Okay, this ID, I showed you the ID as well. Okay, we are getting the unique ID. Okay, on button click we are getting here the unique ID as well, I showed you. Okay, and I'm not going to explain you again and again each and everything. Okay, if I just check here, if okay, if response, okay, if response dot data, okay, dot, okay, responses, okay, capital R responses equal to capital T true, I showed you everything. Okay, if it is okay, so now we will just store the data. So let me just copy this. Okay, set selected movies from here, and now just say it. Okay, we will just say here response. Okay, response dot data. Okay, response dot data, this is it. Else we will get here if there is any issue, if there is any error, we will just say here. Okay, set, okay, set selected movie. Okay, set selected movie, we will just say here only the simple text. Okay, failed. Okay, we will just show here only the simple text, failed to fetch the movie details. Okay, movie details. Okay, this is it guys. Okay, we will just show the simple text. Okay, and this is it. So now inside the catch block we have to catch the error as well. So I'll just say here error to catch the error, and I'll just say here, okay, we will just copy this. Okay, just to copy this from here to here and just to paste it here. And now inside the finally block we will just say here, okay, set, okay, set modal loading, set modal loading, and let me just see what is the value now. Set modal loading as of now is false, so again we will just make it, okay, false. Okay, so let's just paste, say here false. Okay, this is it as of now guys. Just, okay, this is it. Okay, and as of now just save the file, have a look in the browser first what is the response. So now view details, you can see here the modal is now being opened. Okay, so click OK, you can see the modal is now being opened. Okay, so you can see here set modal visible to, I have shown here true. So this is the set modal, okay, visible. You can see here this is the set modal visible. Okay, and now we will just use this like selected movies, okay, to show the modal, to show the data dynamically inside the modal. Okay, so come to the modal now, and comes this is the modal. So let's just make this, okay, title dynamic as well. Remove this, I'll use the open and closing curly braces backtick. We will just say here selected movies dot title. So title, remove this backtick. Okay, so let's just save the file now and come to the browser now. So okay, we got the issue. So selected movies, okay, selected movies, let me just check guys, give me only, okay, few minutes. Okay, so selected movies. Okay, so select selected movies. And response dot data. So let me guys check the method now first very quickly. So this is the uh, fetch movie details method, and async, we are passing here the id. Okay, we are passing here the id. So we are passing here the id axios. So response equal to it's true. So we will get here set selected movies response dot data, else set selected movies is this. And now finally we will just set this. Okay, to set modal loading to false. And then let me just check what is the issue here. So I think guys we don't have any issue inside our this. Okay, fetch movie details, okay, function. Okay, we don't have any issue as of now. We don't have any issue. The issue is only here. So let me just give here as of now. We don't have any issue as of now. Okay, this is the issue is here. Okay, so give here hello world modal title, and now the error is gone. View details, you can see here modal title is now hello world. Okay, modal title is now hello world. So we don't have any issue here. Okay, we don't have any issue in the function. The issue is itself here only. Okay, the issue is itself here only. So the issue is itself here only. So guys let me just so guys as of now let's just save the file and have a look in the browser. So guys, whenever you are going to click this button view details, we can see here the issue. Okay, so guys the issue is here. We have to use here the optional chaining operator. Okay, I'm going to use here the optional chaining operator like this question mark and dot. So this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, if it is not defined, we will just say here loading. Okay, we will just say here loading. Okay, so guys as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So now issue is now resolved. View details, see Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. Click OK. So now the modal title is now dynamic. You can see here now the modal title is now dynamic. Okay, it's loading now, loaded. Click OK. View details, it's loading, loaded. Okay, so our loading is doing great. So now we have to just define this all the things. Okay, we have to just remove this, and now I'll just use here the open and closing curly braces, and now I'll just copy this. Okay, state variable modal loading to show the loader initially. Okay, and then we will fetch the data. Okay, if data is ready, we will show the data. Okay, but initially we will show the loader here. So now we will just use this. Okay, and I'm going to use here the JavaScript. Okay, ternary operator. So like this, and just close this. So guys, now we will use here the optional ternary operator from JavaScript. Okay, so I'll just create here div. Let me just close this as well. So let me just close this as well. Okay, so now we will just create here the div now. So I'll just create here the div. So now just to close this div now, and just give you the class name. I'll just say here text center, and I'll just say here py. Okay, 5 padding 5. Just open this div, and now I just use here the ClipLoader. So I'll just copy this, okay, ClipLoader component from here. So copy this, okay, ClipLoader component from here, and just come now here and just paste it here. I'll give you the color prop as well, red. I'll just give you the size prop as well. Okay, so size I'll give you 120. This is it, and now I'll just show you the text as well. Okay, so I'll just give you the class name. So I'll just say here class name, I'll say empty 3, and I'll just say here loading loading details. Okay, so guys, I'm very sorry for the background voices. Okay, I'm very sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, so I'm recording this video at my home, so I'm very sorry for this background voices. Okay, and now we will just check here if selected movies, okay, selected movies have at least, okay, have at least any if there is any error, just we will just so this is it now. If so now, okay, I'm very sorry guys for the background voices. So now just to close this div now, and just to close this div. So just give the class name here. So I'll just say here class name, I will give here alert, and I'll just say here alert. Okay, danger, danger. I'll just say here text center. Open this div now, and I'll just show you the error as well. Okay, I'll show you the error as well. So selected movie dot error. Okay, selected movies dot error to show the error. Okay, now this is it. So now inside this block we are going to use here the Java React, okay, optional tuning operator. Okay, so selected movies, and I'll just use here the and double and now this, open this, and now we will just create here the div now. So close this div, and now we will just say here open, give the, like, I'm going to let it be, I'm going to create here the img element. Okay, so img, I'll just say here src, I will just use here the let's say here selected movies. Okay, dot poster. Okay, dot poster to show the poster of the movie. I'm very sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, so I'm very sorry for this. Okay, I'll just say here I have to complete this video, so I can't, okay, I can't like stop the video. So say here title. Okay, this is it. I'll give you the class name as well, for, let's say here img card img top. Okay, card img top. Okay, so I'll just say here, let's just give here the style, inline style as well. So I will just say here width, I'll give here say here 100%. I'll give you the height as well of say here 300 px, and I'll just give you the object fit as well, cover, not container, I'll give you a cover. Okay, so cover, and I'll just say here border radius as well, I'll give you the 10 px. Okay, 10 px. This is it. So just this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser first. So view details, see, boom guys, they're getting the data. Okay, view details. Okay, so go to the second page, view details, loading data. I have shown here loading spinner, view details, loading spinner is now working fine. View details, loading spinner is doing great. Click OK. So go to the code now, and now I have to create here a few p elements to show all the things as well. Okay, so let me just guys, first of all guys, let me just as of now just create here the strong element, and I'll show you one thing very important. So strong, and I'll just show here the year, okay, in which it was shoot, okay, or created. Okay, so I'll just say here selected movies, okay, dot year. So y is capital, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now view details, year is now shown here. So let me just click OK. So give here, let me just guys, okay, put it inside the container div as well, so it will be easy to style it. So let me just give you margin top, okay, 4, margin bottom also 4, and just paste it here. Okay, so this is it. So now view details, so now this looks cool as well. And now let me just show here the genre as well. Okay, but guys, before showing the genre, I'm going to create here one custom component. Okay, I'm going to create here one custom component, okay, before showing the genre. Okay, so let me just go up, go up, go up, and I'm going to create here one custom component. Okay, I just say here const, I just say here genre. I'll just use here the props as well. So props I will use here, and let's just give here the prop. Okay, I'll just say here say here movie. Okay, genre, movie genre. As of now, just give here blank or the empty string. Okay, and label, I'll just give you a comma first. So label, give comma, I'll just give you the class name as well. So not class list, I'll say here class name, and I'll just give here as of now, just give you the default value. Okay, I'll just say here default value. I'm going to create here the badge. Okay, so I'll just create here the badge. Okay, badge bg info. Okay, bg info. So now let me just create here the return statement as well. So I'm very sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, very sorry for it. Okay, so div, so close this div now, and now I'll just give you the class name as well. So I'll just say here margin top, okay, 2 or 3, anything. Okay, I'll just say here strong. So I'll just show here the strong. Okay, strong, and I'll just show here the label. So copy this label prop from here and just paste it here, and now below this is strong, I'm going to use this. Okay, use this, but before that let me just check it using the if. Okay, if this movie is defined or not. Okay, if this movie genre is defined or not. Okay, if it is not defined, we will just return, okay, we will just return, okay, null. Okay, if this is it. Okay, so let me just give you a space also. If this movie genre, okay, if this movie genre is defined or not. Okay, if it is defined, we will just come here. If it is defined, we will come here. If it is not defined, we will just return null. Okay, we will just return null. Okay, I'm very sorry for the background guys voices. Okay, so use the open and closing curly braces movie genre. So let me just paste it here, and I'll just use here the split. Okay, I'll just use here the split method to split using the question mark. Okay, using the comma. Okay, using the comma. So this is known as the separator. Okay guys, this is known as the separator. Okay, and now I will use the map method. So now I'll just say here genre. Okay, genre, and I'll just give you the index as well, idx. Use this fedora function like this, and now let me just create here the span element. Okay, so span element. So open this, and now we will just say here give here the key prop as well. So I'll just say here key. Okay, I'll just say here idx. Okay, and I'll just say here class name. I'll also give here the dynamic class name. I'll give here dynamic using the backtick. I'll just say here this class name, prop name is here, paste it here. Okay, and say here the say here text dark, and now we will just say here me 2. Okay, so this is it. And now we will just say here open and closing curly braces, open and closing curly braces. We will say here genre dot dot trim to show the genre of the movie. Okay, so guys, this is the custom component. Okay, this genre is the custom component, and we're going to show the genre now. So copy this, okay, genre component from here, and now, okay, come down. Let me just give here a little bit of spaces as well. Let me just put here little bit space as well. Okay, so I'll just put here little bit spaces as well. Okay, so we use this for the spacing, okay, in React. Okay, so come now, and now here just create here the so copy this, okay, use this genre component which we have defined, okay, above. So now you can see here it is going to take here a few prop as well. So genre is movie genre is the first prop, label is the second prop, and this class name is the third prop. So it has got the default value as well. Okay, this class name has got the default value. We have to provide the label, and we have to provide here the movie genre as well. Okay, so come down, and here I'll just say here movie genre. We will just give you movie genre as a just the value of this, okay, selected. Okay, we will just give you the movie genre name as a selected value. Okay, selected movie dot genre. Okay, dot genre, and we have to provide here the label as well. So label, I have to provide here the label as well. We will give you the label as a genre. Okay, so guys, as of now, so okay, so guys, as of now, just let it be. If we want, we can give the class also, but we have given here the default class. Okay, we have given here the default class, so let it be a default class only. So I'm not going to give here the class. Okay, I am not going to give here the class. Okay, so let it be. Save the file, have a look in the browser first. So now view details, you can see here genre is now here. So let me just give here the give here the okay, so now we can see here the genre is here action, adventure, and family. And now likewise for we will show the other data as well. Okay, we will show here plot, actor, director, okay, year, everything we will show now. So now we will just show here the director. Copy this P, okay, and just paste it here. We will just show here the director. Okay, so director movie, okay, selected movies. Okay, and we will just show here the director as well. Okay, so not description, I'll say here director. Okay, director, this is it. And now let me just paste it one more time. We will show here the actor as well. So I'll just show here the actor. Okay, actor, and let's just use this, okay, genre component to show the actor dynamically. Okay, let's just as a just paste it here, and let's just say here actors. Okay, so say here actors. Okay, let's just remove this and give here, copy this, and just paste here label as a actor. So just remove this, and we will just give here the class name. Now I will just give you the class name as well. So let me just give you the class name. Okay, so I'll just give you the class name badge. Okay, badge, I'll say here bg warning. Okay, bg warning. So guys, now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So you can see here actor. Okay, this is the actor. Okay, so director, let's just give you a class name margin top I'll give you a 3, margin bottom also I'll give you a 3. Okay, so this is it. So genre is this, director is this, and actor is this. Okay, so now let me just copy this. Okay, p element, uh, copy this p element, and now let's just paste it here. And now we will just show here the plot as well. Okay, I'll just show here the plot as well. What is the plot, what is the story of the movie? Okay, so plot, I'll just say here selected movies dot, I'll just say here plot. Okay, so now just save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here the plot is here now. Let me just okay, cut it out from here and just paste it here. Okay, so let me just cut it out from here and just paste it here. So this is the plot, this is the director, genre, year, genre. Okay, director, actor, plot, and we are going to show now the IMDb rating as well. So I'm going to show here the IMDb rating as well. So copy this p from here and just I'll just say here text as a IMDb rating. Okay, rating as well. I'll just say here the IMDb rating. Okay, rating. Save the file, have a look in the browser now. So now view details, you can see here now I have shown here the IMDb rating as well. So guys, everything is okay now, everything is fine now, and you can see here the dark mode is also doing great. Refresh the page. Okay, and guys, I'm very sorry for the background voices. Okay, I'm creating this video at home, so there is made okay, so I'm very sorry for this. Go to the second page and go to the third page, and we can search here any movie's name. I'll just search here the Khiladi. Okay, so Khiladi, hit enter, loading movies. You can see here this is the Khiladi. So view details. Okay, loading spinner app shown here, click OK. View details, loading spinner app shown here, click OK. So go to the second page, view details. So this looks cool. View details as well. Okay, so loading spinner, go to the third page, view details, go to the okay, so view details. Now search here another movie. I'll just search here the I'll just search here another movie. We can, I don't remember guys any Hollywood movies name. Okay, so I'm going to search here only Hindi movies name because I don't remember any Hollywood movies name. Okay, so I'll just search here I'll just search here some other movies name. I'll just search here Avatar. Okay, Avatar, hit enter. You can just see here loading movies. So go to the second page, go to the third page, so we can view the details also in the modal, loading modal as well. Click OK, view details, click OK. So we can see here the recent search history as well. Avatar, Khiladi, and Harry Potter is here. Okay, so now let me just search here. Okay, so guys, let me just create here one function also to remove this drop down whenever user is going to click anywhere outside this drop down. Okay, I'm going to do that now. So let me just do that now. So come here and inside the use effect hook only we have to do that. Okay, so I'll just create here the use effect hook, so like this, and close this, and now we will just define the method. Okay, so I'll just define the method so that user will click outside this to hide the drop down. Okay, as of now we can just see here it is not going to hide. Okay, see, it is not going to hide. Okay, it it is not going to hide. Whenever you will click anywhere, it is not going to hide. So okay, so we can just hide it whenever user will click outside of the drop down. Okay, so I'll just create here one const or the function and just say here handle click outside. Okay, and use this equal to, I'll just use here the event object as well, because clicking anywhere on the document is the event. Okay, so I'll just use here the filter function, and I'm very sorry guys for the background voices. Okay, I was very sorry for this. Okay, I'm very sorry for this. Okay, so I'll just check it using the if method. I'll just say here if does not, okay, does not event dot target on which user has clicked. Okay, on which user has clicked. Okay, closest to, okay, closest to, okay, closest to this class. Okay, this class position relative. Okay, position relative. I have given here the classes on this drop down as well. You can see here this position relative class. Okay, so we are checking here if user has clicked. Okay, if user has clicked, okay, and it is not on the drop down, it is somewhere else. Okay, it is somewhere else. If this is the case, we will just say here, okay, set, okay, set drop down. We will just say here set, okay, show drop down. Again we will just make it false. Okay, again make it false. And now we have defined here the function. So now this is the function we have defined here. So now we have to attach this event also, this, okay, this click event outside like event. We have to attach it to our document. So we will just say here document dot add event listener, which event guys? Okay, the click is the event. Okay, the click is the event, and we have to fire this. Okay, handle click outside. So just paste it here and just close it now. So we have to remove it now. Okay, so we have to remove it now whenever our component is going to be unmounted. Okay, whenever our component is going to be unmounted, so we have to remove the event as well. So I'll just use here the cleanup function as well. Okay guys, this is known as the cleanup function. Okay guys, this is known as the cleanup function. Okay, so let me just say here document dot remove event listener. What is the event guys? This click event, and which is the event. Okay, so this is the event we are going to remove whenever our component is going to be unmounted. Okay, whenever our component is going to be unmounted, and this will run only once. Okay, because we can see here we don't have any value in our dependency array. Okay, so it will run only once. Save the file, have a look in the browser. Now click anywhere, refresh the page. So see, boom guys, it's gone. Okay, boom, it's gone. So search here, Harry Potter we have searched here. Let's just search here any Hindi movies name, because I don't remember any Bollywood movies name, any English movies name. Okay, so I'll just search here the ready, hit enter. You can see here this is the ready, Salman Khan ready. Okay, and you can view details also. Loading spinner I have shown here in the modal, click OK. View details, loading spinner I have shown here in the modal, click OK. View details. Okay, so go to the second page, view details. Okay, so view details. Go to the third page, second page, first page. I have shown here the page number as well. View details. Okay, I'm sorry. So search here PK, Amir Khan movie, PK, hit enter. You can see here it is now asking, okay, too many results. I hope I'm out of my quota now. My our daily API okay, quota I guess I feel. Okay, let's just search here Khiladi first, hit enter. No, it's working now. So it's working now. So PK, I don't, because I don't think guys PK is there. Okay, I don't think PK is there. Okay, I just search here, oh my god, hit enter. You can see here this is the Akshay Kumar, oh my god. It was created in 2020 2012. Okay, view details. Okay, so view details, loading spinner I have shown here. View details, click OK. So go to the second page. The You can see the pagination is also doing great, and we can see here our data is being changed. Okay, and we can see here each and everything in the modal. Okay, oh my god, yes. So this is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating. Click OK. View details. See, I have shown here each and everything in the modal. This is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot, and IMDb rating. Click OK. So go to the third page. So view details, click OK, and view details. So let me just apply here. As of now, you can see here the dark mode is applied. Okay, but we can't see any dark mode in our modal as well. Okay, so let me just apply here the dark mode on the modal as well. So I'll just go to the modal first. So just go to the modal, and I'll just say here on class. Okay, class name I'll just say here. Class name I'll just say here. Class name. Okay, if dark mode is true, if dark mode is true, we will apply here modal, dark modal. Okay, we will apply here dark modal. Okay, we will apply here dark modal, otherwise we will apply here nothing. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser first. So let me just refresh the page. I hope or let's just modal, I'll just say here modal. Okay, modal dark. So now view details. Okay, so now I hope to I feel need to refresh the page first, and now view details, no. So let's just control Z, dark modal only, and now let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so view details, no. Let me just see here what is the class. Modal.css is here. So this is the dark modal only, this is the class only we are applying here, dark modal. So come here. So class name, if dark mode is true, we will apply here this. Okay, dark modal, otherwise we will apply nothing. Okay, so okay, I got the issue. We got the issue because we are importing here the classes. Okay, we can see here we are importing here the classes from this file modal css.css. So we have to import it first in our component as well. I'll just import it now. So I'm very sorry for this. Modal, okay, css dot css. So now just save the file, and now it will work now. See, boom guys, boom. So okay, so let me just search here the I'll just search here dangle. I hope it's there. Movie not found. I'll just search here. I'll just search here any Amir Khan movies. Okay, any Amir Khan movies. I'll just search here. Three Idiots. Hit enter. Not okay. So spelling wrong. Hit enter. Yeah, we got the movie. Three Idiot is here. Three Idiot. It was created in 2009. So now we can see here the dark mode is also applied on the modal as well, and this is the and design modal. Okay, so I've shown here the loading spinner as well. Okay, so just close this, go to the second page. So Three Idiots and a Wise Man. So view details. Okay, this is the movie poster, year, genre, director, actor, plot is not available, and IMDb rating is not available. Okay, click cancel. So let me just see here the recent source history. Three Idiot and Harry Potter. So click anywhere, it's gone. Okay, click anywhere, it's gone. Okay, so let me just search here the love. Hit enter. Loading movies. Okay, so you can see here view details. Click OK. Go to the second page. View details. Click OK. Go to the third page. View details. Click OK. View details. Okay, so I hope guys we have learned here, okay, a lot of things. Okay, from like use state hook to use effect hook. Okay, and from how to create this state variable to how to update this state variable, and from using the a state variable to store the API data, to store the RESTful API data, to update the state variable on click event as well. Okay, here in this video, in this session with me, ER Prabhat Pandit. Okay, so I hope guys you learned a lot of things from this video, from this session. And now guys, you will subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will just, okay, don't forget to share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group as well. Okay, please guys, okay, please do share this video with your friends, with your group, with your colleague as well. Okay, I am hoping now you will subscribe now my the channel code with ER. Okay, please guys, please. Okay, so let me guys, okay, read something for you so that you will subscribe now my this channel. So let me just read this for you. So hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that was the case, I'm sure some of you would have subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. If you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel code with ER. I'm here to teach you and to empower you with these skills that will last a lifetime. Remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty, and harmful content to entertain you. But here, it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. So, if you have learned something today, found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now, your support means the world to me. Yes, guys, you heard that right. Your support means the world to me. So, please, guys, subscribe now. My the channel code with ER. At the end of the day, it's all in your hand. So take care, and I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. ER Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Okay, I hope guys you will subscribe now my the channel code with ER, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your group as well. Okay, so if you still guys, if you still have any doubt, any query regarding this video, regarding this session, then please guys you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, write this video. Okay, below write this video. So you can give me the feedback guys. Okay, it can be negative, it can be positive as well. So thank you guys for watching my video, for watching my session. Okay.